you say, I mean, that's nice and slim as well.
Yeah.
Which we call take one of them with us and hook it onto the back of the car.
Oh, I can't find the old lights anywhere.
The old what, loads?
No.
You're going to have a look round then?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then that, maybe that truck there, no, that's more of a scrap man.
Maybe that.
I was going to say maybe that truck, but it looked like just a scrap
a
man.
5-way.
Yeah.
Look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Oh, I think that new college is opening. Oh, yeah. I'll try again. This one here. Okay, I could be here a while actually. So I do need to get at least one changing screen. Oh, it's the timing thing. Oh, it's changed now.
See him looking at you in the car?
Yeah. It's the X10. Okay, that was that one. Let's go to other parts of the junction
Which one's
now.
now?
Just down there, I think. Buttons don't even work. Oh, the pedestrian lights don't even work. No, I don't think. No, buttons don't work.
How they get on today?
Shite.
Don't tell me they lost the shot.
0-0.
0-0.
Pathetic. Nothing like. I know. I don't have to make this all good.
No.
We had it for a year. Let's see.
Here. Footpath shut. There's no signs of lights anywhere. So they're digging that up. It's got poles, but not lights anywhere. A High Street Cradley. Oh, closed 13th of October. Bridge Harder. I'll have to get over there and see what's going on. Hold on, does this button work? Here. Oh, none of these buttons work. No, I'm just gonna go. None of these buttons. Oh, that one does. God, he tripped over it.
Could be wall stands.
Exactly. Exactly.
Have a good one.
And you, mate. Crossing?
Yeah. Right, let's read what it says here. Oh, no wonder there's no lights. It started on the 21st of July. Completion date end of December. 20 weeks just to upgrade a junction.
Oh, what time of that?
Yeah.
Good then lights now and
Yeah.
then down,
Yeah.
and then back to the car, and then home.
Yeah. There could be some in that truck on the left, but I think that's just a scrap man.
Yeah, it is. There's none in there, mate. Hello.
Pardon?
Yeah, it's just a scrap man. Oh, that's a car garage. Oh, some washers and dryers. There's the ambulance.
The ambulance.
Yeah. Oh, I don't. Oh, no. Oh, it does. Oh, it's gone out.
Take your time. You're going to cross them over there and then
Yeah.
come back and cross these here.
Yeah.
Look how long the tube's gone on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got to go back to get the lights on there.
Yeah.
I must say now,
What?
them and the tubes I've seen on a light,
Yeah.
about that long.
Yeah. Do any of these buttons work?
Come on.
That-
The blokes on there.
Look, there'd be a red light there, but it's not coming on.
Shall we cross over them?
Yeah, might as well. Does that one work? No, again. Oh, what about this one?
Shall we?
Oh, that one works, but it's faded. Oh, none of these work. This road's shut here, so no one's gonna be there. Just get it changing, hopefully. And that will be it.